Hey there, money savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the smartest ways to handle your finances across borders. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: the best way to send money from the US to Japan in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, paying for that dream trip, or managing international business, we've got you covered with the latest tips and tricks. First off, let's talk about why this matters. With the US dollar and Japanese yen fluctuating like crazy, choosing the right method can save you a bundle in fees and get your money there faster. In 2025, digital tools have made transfers easier than ever, but not all options are created equal. So, what are your top choices? Traditional bank wires are still around, but they're often pricey and slow, with fees upwards of $20 to $50 per transfer. Then there's PayPal, which is super convenient for smaller amounts, but it can eat into your funds with hidden exchange rates. Western Union is great for speed if you're in a pinch, but again, fees add up quickly. Now, for the real winner in 2025, services like Wise, formerly TransferWise. It's our top pick because it offers lightning-fast transfers, competitive exchange rates, and fees as low as 0.5 to 1%. That's a game changer. Plus, with Japan's growing embrace of digital payments, Wise integrates seamlessly. Another contender is Revolut, which is perfect if you're dealing with multiple currencies and want a user-friendly app. When comparing these, always factor in security. Look for two-factor authentication and encrypted platforms to keep your money safe from scams. And here's a pro tip. Check current exchange rates on reliable sites like Z.com before you send to lock in the best deal. In conclusion, for most folks sending money to Japan from the US in 2025, Wise takes the crown for its low costs, speed, and ease of use. Give it a try on your next transfer and watch your savings grow. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching. Stay savvy.